Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I have another roleplay and I'm here with my mother. So I'm just gonna hop out. I'm just gonna quickly leave my house. Has no idea. I've got this new van, I hate it. My mom is so bad at parking. Okay. Yeah, this is a really bad van. But that's fine. And by the way, I am only 16, I just got my driver's license, so don't mock my bad driving. Alright, I'm going to steal a cop car. Because, you know, I just really want people to get out of my way when I'm going fast, so I can see the police station over there. Alright, I am here now. Hopefully they have some cars out there.
Oh, I see a car out the back. I'm just gonna see what's happening over here and why it's going. Hello there, sir. Are you doing alright, officer?
I'm just gonna peek over the fence. There is actually a car there.
Come on over to my car. And I'll just do the routine check.
Okay, I got the car. I need to get the hell out of here. Oh crap, I'm stuck. Go. See y'all.
Hey, officer Ian.
Just in the car. Let's listen to their...
Why don't you head inside? It's a bit cold out here one day. At least in my opinion, it's a bit cold. Rightio.
My car.
It is fairly cold out there. I think I'll put on my vest. Oh, I forgot how heavy this vest was. Oh, it seems a bit dirty. Oh god, I'll just go ahead and see if everyone... Oh, what the... I'm gonna be requesting backup near the DOT building, heading northbound towards the housing suburbs with a with a white Strugati. What is it? Oh, whoa. Where is the suspect? Okay, dispatch, I'm gonna be very quiet. Oh god, he doesn't have his car. Okay, we're gonna have a black Chevrolet Impala going northbound towards the hospital. Oh god, okay, we're gonna be heading eastbound towards the fire department. Okay, Chevron Captain. Okay, I'm gonna be recalling back up near the civilian spawn. Okay, we're gonna be performing a pit maneuver. And free skirt. Oh god. Okay. Oh god, it's a kid. Put your hands up. Put your hands up.
Okay.
Hands up. Hands up. Lay down. Lay down. Hey. Back off. Back off.
Yo, be careful.
Okay. Get on your knees.
Alright, okay.
The location is near the downtown park. Okay. And face the downtown park. Hey. Get back in your car. Get back in your car.
Hey, that's my mom.
Get back in your car.
Should I run? You can run for it.
Hey, get in your car. Get in your car. Oh god, there's a suspect around. Oh god. Okay. Oh god, she's running. Get on the ground. Get on the ground. Okay, taser.
Oh god, please don't ow!
Okay, we've got one in custody.
Ow! Oh my god.
Sir, can you manage that person?
That hurt, you know.
Please. I know it hurt, but when you steal a police car, you really deserve it. Whoa. Shots fired.
Hey.
Oh god, she's running. Okay, get in. Okay, we're gonna have a pursuit of a white Truck executive. Oh god. Oh god. Stop the car immediately. Hold on, okay, I'll take primary in the press. Oh, whoa.
Ow, oh my god, Mom.
Okay. 1080 heading towards the wooden bridge with a large Truckati executive. Oh god. Whoa. Whoa. Hands up. Get on your knees.
Oh my god.
And face your car.
Oh my god, her car's on fire.
Face your car.
Oh, yeah.
Face your car. I'll let you have some time with your daughter in the back of the car. Okay, you have the right to remain silent. Anything you say or do will be used against you in a court of law. Okay, I'll let you in. If you guys create any sort of drama to try and break out of the car, then your jail time will be prolonged. Okay, I'll take them to the station. Oh goodness. No buts. Anything you say or do will be used against you both in the court of law. You should understand that by the time when you're 6, you should have understood that you shouldn't be committing GTA. And now look at you. You've grown up to commit GTA. Wait, actually, let's go to the front so they don't have the armory. Oh goodness. Okay, offset. Okay, I'm just gonna be requesting offset Ian. Okay, she's gonna be put in the holding cell for now. Okay, sit in the chair. Do not sit in your chair. We will have to shoot you. Okay, being intimidating is the best. Now, anyway, I'll get the other lady out.
Anyway guys, I'm going to bring this video to an end. If you enjoyed, please make sure you like and subscribe to my channel, and maybe even comment if you want to, and I will see you in the next